Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down right away. Now choose biometrics and password, click on lock screen password and tap on change unlock methods. Following that, tap on the best one for you, I will go with pattern, and enter it. When ready, you need to repeat it and choose done at the bottom right corner. Now, if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing add and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though. So now when I click home button, turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!